Welcome back Jedi Knights to another Jedi FPV video. And in this video we will be using Squadding Quadsy's Pavo20, a 2-inch tiny whoop drone. So I get a phone call from the man, the myth, the legend that is Squadding Quads, and said, "Okay boy, let's go fly." So without any hesitation, that's what we did. And because it was such short notice, I didn't have any batteries charged. And Squadding Quads said, "Yo lad, do you want to have a fly of this?" I didn't hesitate and just said, "Let's go." So this is the first time I've been flying this drone. That is the Pavo20, the sub 250 gram drone. As you can see, I am a little bit rough in flying it. But I do think I do an amazing job of keeping the drone under control with being a relatively new member to the hobby. And as we can see here, I do a power loop. This is something I'm quite confident in doing. Nice and simple maneuver. So this flight, with it being the first one, was just about smoothness and control and getting a good feel for the drone. I shouldn't really be doing any tricks, and as we can see there, I almost binned it into the floor. But with my Jedi-like reflexes, I didn't. Mr. Squadding Quads did fail to tell me that his rates are much higher than mine, but we forgive and forget. And the control I was using was something new to me. It's the Radio Master Boxer. The thumbsticks are rather stiff compared to my DJI FPV controller. But looking back on this footage now, I can tell that a stiffer stick will give you a smoother flight. Although landing this drone was a bit of an issue, as we can see here, down she goes. Thank you all so much for watching. And as always, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.